Now we come to referral sharing and business collaboration session. We are going to start. So if you have any reference for your fellow members, please mention their names while taking along with their serial number and Excel sheet. Parallelly, if you are interested to work in collaboration with any of your fellow members, also mention their names. It will help us to keep records and accordingly we can analyze the performance of their meeting. So members, if you have done business with your fellow members, kindly mention their names with thank you slip amount. Also, if you have done any face-to-face meetings with your fellow members, please mention the names or any testimonials you have for your fellow members. So we start the referral sharing and collaboration session. So I'm starting with the left side. Minaji, you can start.
Yes, the mic. Please give her the mic.
I would like to connect Mr. Chaudhary and Mr. Bizet and Mr. Milind Thakur. They are my referral partner. And I would like to connect Mr. Suraj Bakale. One of my friend, he is a resort owner. I can connect him. Thank you.
Hello. I had face-to-face with Ratnakar sir and Vijay sir last week. It was a good meeting. Thank you so much.
I would like to, so I have already collaborated with Dr. Anshuman once, so I would like to connect with him. And I would like to meet Mr. Vijay Falnikar for the commercial interior thing. Yeah, thank you.
So I have received for 1500, one is for Jaya and one is for Komal Makhija. Komal Makhija. She's not there, but उन्होंने कुछ मंगवाया था, braids. They had asked for the braids, so I had done that. And संजय सर से बहुत टाइम से मिलना है, पर पता नहीं मुहूर्त नहीं निकल रहा. So आज पंडित जी से मुहूर्त निकल ये वीक पक्का. सर देख लेना जरा कुछ अच्छा बता दीजिए. फिर आप बोलेंगे. Amount 1500. Thank you.
Ajay Madane, Evans Agro Experience. I have a reference for Jaya Shinde madam and Milind Thakur madam, Milind Thakur sir. Also would like to connect with Abhishek Agarwal sir. Thank you.
Thank you note for 2000 rupees to Komal Makhija.
I already have a reference to Mr. Chaudhary. I think this week probably we'll be able to meet and go ahead. And looking for more referrals from you. Thank you.
Thank you sir for Mr. Sadanand of amount 5,500 rupees. And Sukhdev Singh, Mr. Satish was there, and Titi Rekhi fire business 8,100. Then Rashmi Mittaji amount is 6,900. Then Sanjay Mathuji and his sister total amount is 29,000 rupees.
टोटल बोल रहे हैं आप मानव जी, टोटल बोल रहे हैं.
Totally. Sanjay Mathuji का 29.
29,000 is total.
और संजय माथुर उनकी सिस्टर के लिए. ओके. देन थ्रू कमल जी इट इज 49,000 रुपीज. प्रेमचंद जी हैं, मिलाली जी हैं. दैट इज द डिफरेंस. 49,000 including 4 patients. Thank you. I would like to give reference to Mr. Abhishek Agarwal ji. Very soon we are meeting program. तो शायद इस कंफर्म करेंगे अगर वो तैयार हैं. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonia ma'am. Sonia ma'am has referred to one client to me. The thank you slip is 2,000 rupees. And I had given a reference to Nikita Dedia. And I had a one-to-one with the Mani Iyer sir and Nikita. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Suraj. I have gave one reference to Nikita Rediaji and Vijay Parlikar. I have two references for you, for doctors basically. You are good for. Yeah, thank you.
सुमलता सर का लैपटॉप ये IBBA का दिया है एम से 3,000.
I have never visited a nightclub, but I'm designing one in Bangalore, and I took help of Abhishek ji for my Bangalore trip. Now it was on the day which is called in their terminology a black day, which is all the tickets are booked and it's very difficult to get any flight. He got me cheaper than what was available on Make My Trip. Not only that, he on his own he did the web check-in and he made sure that I get a seat in the first 3 rows, which is also rare. So hats off to his services. Everything totally unexpected. वो बताएंगे ना, मैं कैसे बताऊँ?
ट्रेनिंग किया आपने?
प्रेमलता जी, आपने एक रेफरेंस दिया, आप भूल गए बताना. संजय माथुर जी ने मुझे एक रेफरेंस दिया. मणि अय्यर जी ने मुझे जो रेफरेंस दिया था वो बिजनेस में कन्वर्ट हो गया है. बोलो. मणि अय्यर जी ने जो रेफरेंस दिया था वो बिजनेस में कन्वर्ट हो गया है. पहला थैंक यू स्लिप आया है 10 लाख रुपये. और म्यूचुअल फंड के लिए मैं मिलना चाहूँगा भाई आपको. म्यूचुअल फंड के लिए कौन? हाँ, आपको मिलना चाहूँगा समझने के लिए पहले. थैंक यू.
लगा तो फिर पैसा 10 लाख
Say it loudly.
I like everyone to thank you for being patient and listening to me. Also, I heal businesses and places. So if someone's business is not running and you have an office and it's just held up, there are certain rituals that we do and help that place to move, get business. Thank you. I also teach meditation.
Hello. Yeah, I did a business of 2,000 rupees in my last meeting, but I didn't have the names. This time I'll make sure I'll write down names so you can make a note of 2,000. And I have a reference, self-reference with Sanjay sir. This time we'll meet and take it up. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Hello, I would like to meet Nikita ji for some clarification. Thank you.
Would like to do one-to-one with Mr. Thank you, sir.
I'm having a thank you sheet for Vijay sir for 12,900 rupees, and I have a thank you sheet for Mani sir who has given me a business of 2.7 lakh rupees. Thank you so much.
हो गया ना?
Do you have anything?
Hello everyone. Okay, so I have a thank you slip for Premlata Jain for 5,000. Then I think last time I did not. Did I speak about yours also, Sonia? 2,500. Ujala 2,000. Malia's friend. Preeti Shah 2,500. And I think I've not forgotten anybody. आपको तो last time बोला था. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. And that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Manat, for business of 2,50,000. I've had one-to-one with Nikita ma'am, and
Ask two reference for.
No, you'll have to show what I bought. Give.
Just show what I bought, so people get an idea about what you make, yeah. And he's also given me the certificate for the diamonds, yeah. So it's very, very professional. So this is what I have made. You all can have a look later on. He's made it for me, and this.
Turn around. You can see and see.
Yes, yes, of course. You can come to me. And this. That's diamonds. And he's also given me the certificate for it, yeah. Certification, everything very professionally done, yeah. So, and I think there's one more here. Thank you. Thank you, Amit.
जी ये वाला
There's a one reference for Amit regarding the board of itself.
और डायलॉग आ रहा है
And actually, he is very good. He himself did not say something. He is good with the Cartolin brand products. Also makes that. So he never introduced those things, but the premium customers, he really go with that.
He also makes Gokurus, you know, for Marwaris. Everything he makes. Why don't you show your product? I think he'll have a presentation in a couple of days. So I think, yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks.
So one thing I want to say that actually I have been invited in one of the podcasts on the 8th March for females like entrepreneurs. So the entire journey of mine was being told to them. So they had invited me for that podcast. So and the recent I don't have any other as of now, but there are people whom I will be connecting in the months when that the time is been required. It's like Sanjay Mathurji. Right now I am not able to connect with you, but I know after down the line 6 months we will be sitting together and we'll discuss something with you. Yeah. So as per my business, things are going ahead. So particularly I am doing that. And 1 minute. And I want to give the testimonial to Chautali ma'am also. She has done healing for my nephew when he was in 10th. Right now he is in 11th. So he was not at all studying. So he did not wanted to study for the exams of the boards. So she did some healing and he started and he passed the exam.
Oh yeah, I also need to thank Jaya for helping me with the presentation today. I'm sorry. And Sandeep, thank you. And she made it, I just sent it to her last night but never had a word with her. And this morning she called after she had done the slides for me. So thank you Jaya, awesome. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Received. Thank you from Nikita. 20,000.
So I would like to do the one-to-one. It was pending last time, so we will do it this month. And I would like to, on behalf of Urvashi Punjabi, I would like to thank Malia Chisti for referring her boss, for the Pestunji ice cream parlor. So she's went there and got the reels and all done for him. Thank you, Malia. And the amount is 3,000. Thank you.
So this is a testimonial for Chaitali. So I'm a cancer survivor, and during my chemos, she used to clean up all my chemo bottles before they used to start the chemotherapy, and that saved me from, I did not have any side effects for that. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Sonia.
Let us now have a look what we have achieved today. Referral shared number today are 28 and total referral of the chapter
रेफरल ऑफ द चैप्टर टोटल कितना हुआ? आज का 28 है तो मैं चेक करूँगा.
The total business generated today is 17,39,400 and total business
Round of applause. Round of applause.
and this is the genuine figure what we have got and the total business of this chapter including the previous chapter. January 2024 onwards till January 2025 we have the business of total 43,05,400. And total testimonials for the day is 2. Over to the captain.
Excuse me, I would like to say a word for Chaitali especially. Like today she has done her session. Her vibes are so positive and she's so polite. कि वो दूध बैठी हुई काफी हमको पता लग रहा है. I can't explain in words, but बहुत ज़्यादा positive. Today only first time she's given.
So, dear members, I'm sure each of your business could benefit from the program designed by IBP. We will organize IBP Business Network meets on first Friday of every month. Our next meeting will be on 7th Feb, that is a Friday, at 2 p.m. at the same venue. So once again, thank you for being with us here this evening. And we conclude our meeting with business tip of the week. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So I request all of you, you can go to the terrace for the snacks.